salam sejahtera. My name is Nurul Zainab binti Abdurrahman. I'm from KBA 2424A. In this video, I would like to present about company technical analysis on key asset Berhad. First of all, I would like to introduce what is technical analysis is. Technical analysis are used to analyze the way supply and demand for a security will affect changes in price, volume and implied instability. It can be used on any security with historical trading data. This includes stocks, futures, commodities, fixed income, currency and other securities. In fact, technical analysis is far more prevalent in commodities and forex market where the traders focus on short-term price movement. Besides, technical analysis operates from the assumption that past trading activity and price changes of the security can be valuable indicators of the security futures price movement when paired with appropriate investing or trading rules. Professional analysts often use technical analysis in combination with other forms of research. In general, technical analysts look at the following broad types of indicators such as price trends, support and resistance level, chart patterns, volume and momentum indicator, oscillators and moving average. In this presentation, I choose company Key Asset Berhad to analyze the technical analysis. Key Asset Berhad is a Malaysia-based company engaged in the application-specific integrated circuit design service for consumer, wireless and personal electronic applications. The company provides data processes, data management, telecommunication, office automation and intelligent storage networking support. Key Asset Berhad geographic segment include Malaysia, Taiwan, Singapore and Russia. In 2009, they were listed on the main board of KLSE. Khazanah and CIMB was the main investor. In technical analysis, I would like to choose momentum indicator to be analysed based on the company Key Asset Berhad. Momentum indicator are technical analysis tools that used to determine the strength and weaknesses of a stock price. Momentum measures the rate of the rise and fall of a stock price. Common momentum indicators include rate of change, relative strength index, moving average convergence divergence and stochastic oscillator. The first momentum indicator is rate of change (ROC). ROC is the speed at which a variable changes over a specific period of time. ROC is helped to find out the overbought and oversold position. As we can see from figure 1 on 21st and 23rd April 2021, ROC has increased above the zero line due to implied expanding velocity. The positive value of ROC price indicates the uptrend line, which is an overbought. We can predict that the price will be bullish in the future. Therefore, this is a signal for the trader to sell the stock. On 22 April and 11 May 2021, ROC has fallen below the zero line due to loss of the momentum. The negative value of ROC price shows oversold position. Therefore, this is a signal for the trader to buy the stock. Next, Relative Strength Index (RSI). RSI is a momentum indicator that used in a technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought and oversold condition in the price of a stock or other asset. Usage of RSI are the values of 70 and above indicate that a security is becoming overbought, and RSI reading of 30 and below indicates an oversold conditions. Based on the figure 2, it clearly shows that RSI touch upper than 70% appears on 21st April 2021 and it means that the market in the overbought condition. It is a signal for the trader to sell the stock. Then, the RSI of Key Asset Berhad moving downtrend movement and will reach 30%. On 11 May 2021, it shows oversold condition. Therefore, it was a buy signal for the trader as the stock price will arrive after that. The third momentum indicator is Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). MACD is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving average of a security's price. it display a MACD line which is in blue color, signal line in red color, and histogram. Based on the figure 3, the buy signal shows on 16 April 2021. It shows buy signal because of the MACD line cross above the signal line. Besides that, it located upper of the zero line, which is stronger reason for the trader to buy Key Acid Berhad stock. While when the MACD line cross below the signal line, trader use this to sell signal. Based on the chart, sell signal shows on 16 March 2021 and 21st April 2021. And the fourth momentum indicator is stochastic oscillator. A stochastic oscillator is a momentum indicator comparing a particular closing price of a security of range price over the certain price of time. When stochastic readings over 80 are considered in overbought range and reading under 20 are considered oversold. From the figure 4, the stochastic line has crossed upper 80%, which is on 1st April 2021 and 24th May 2021. It is an overbought market condition. Thus, this is a signal for the trader to sell the stock since the price is high at this time and expect to decrease soon. While on 22nd April 2021, the stock is on oversold condition. It is due to the stochastic line has crossed lower to 20%. Overall, RSI, ROC, MACD and stochastic have been chosen to determine the traders to make decision whether to buy or sell. After analyze, I will recommend investor in the future to enter the market by buy and sell Key Acid Berhad stock that support by RSI, ROC, MACD and stochastic. In conclusion, momentum indicator helps the technical analyst to forecast the stock pattern in the future. To prevent change of having a false signal, it is necessary for the technical analyst to select correct indicator. That's all for me. Thank you.